There beside you where I used. Just let me say. My God, the lightning, I really love it. It's so dark in my room. Ay, nako, yung good night mo, Virginia. Yung good night mo, kanina pa. Kanina pa yung good night mo, hindi ka na natapos. Yun nakakapahamos, likely balding yante. James Vlog, hi. No one here is sending real love. Who think I can go grade you? Tining hair, nagtatago sa sombrero. So dark. Yabang man. Ano ba? Ano bang pinag-uusapan nyo na? Do you ever put music to sleep? No, L, no. I don't get it. Hi, Jim. Not clear, babe. What not clear? Because I want to sleep na, Zilas. It's because I want to sleep. If you wanna stay, stay. I want to close also this light na. Which light I will use? One? This one only? Green light? Or red? I think the red one is better. Green. Green is better? Good night. I'll sleep with my green light na lang, mas maganda. Mas maliwanag ba pag green, guys? Green. The yellow one, no. This is green. This is red. Mas maganda pag red. Red, no? Maganda pag red, guys. Blue? I don't like blue. This is blue. Too much lightning. This is rainbow. Sweet dreams, CL. This is purple. Put your hand on... this is blue. Oh no, this is mixed, you see? Yeah, I prefer red. Red is better. See? See the red? It's nice. Put your hands on my shoulder. Where is my baby? I wanna see them first before I close my eyes. Close your eyes. Give me your hands, darling. Do you feel my heart beating? Purple, there's no purple. It's mixed with green. It's too light for me. Guys, 4 subscribers and then